Make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. Ooh, Aries. Okay. New love. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. I love... Shut up. Engagement. Aries. Okay. So, before I dive in, let me tell you, for my Aries that are single, okay? If you're single, you ready to mingle? Spirit says keep an open mind, okay? But they need you guys to make the effort. So it's like if you're wanting love to come into your life, like put yourself out there, go out, have fun, attract that energy. You guys have been doing the work, and I'm seeing it's getting ready to pay off because some of you guys have a new love coming into your life. It's a brand spanking new person, okay? That's what I'm talking about. And it's going to be so good. This person here, this is the one you're going to be committed to. This person coming into your life is the person that can take it to the next level, like engagement, marriage, children, if that's what you want, the whole nine. So put yourselves out there, okay? Now, for my other Aries out there, okay? Y'all know I was about to do this, okay? So you guys have somebody from your past coming back, okay? And Spirit wants you to keep an open mind about this person because I feel like this person could have put you through a lot. Why am I still holding this deck? You see what I'm saying? The fact, y'all know after I look, I put it down. The fact that I'm still holding on to this, something's getting ready to pop off for y'all, okay? So I'm going to need y'all to definitely leave me some comments. Y'all need to keep me updated because something's getting ready to happen. But anyway, so this past person's getting ready to come back, right? And I feel like this person definitely wants you to keep an open mind about being with them. And this person needs to make an effort. I feel like they need to make an effort first to approach you if you haven't heard from them. But I definitely feel like they're coming back in. And they're going to come back to give you this brand spanking new love offer, okay? Like, this love offer is good. It's a good one. For some of you guys, I don't feel like they're just going to, like, jump right into the fact, like, I love you, let's do this, let's be together. I feel like they want to work things out with you to the point where they can eventually take it to the next level. All right, so let's see what's going on. Let's hop in. I'm excited. See, and I just happened to see the Hierophant while I was just shuffling. So, excuse me. I'm telling y'all, some of you guys could be dealing with a Taurus, but if not, marriage, commitment, it's coming. Aries, this looks so good so far. Like, I'm excited for y'all. All right, so let's just see what's going to... Bottom of the deck, Two of Pentacles reverse. So that's letting me know that a decision has been made. So let's see. All right, Aries, let's go. All right, so I'm seeing that somebody's been healing. Somebody definitely was, backstabbed a couple of times, from someone in their past. Yeah, but you've been healing. But I'm seeing that whoever hurt you, it's like you're not happy. And I feel like they're not happy either. Yep, see, I told you. It's somebody from the past. Oh, shoot. All right, Aries. Don't be rolling your eyes. Didn't I tell y'all in the beginning some of y'all got new love coming in? But there's past. Don't stop rolling your eyes at me. Anyway, so this person they're really worried. They're frustrated because I'm telling you, they don't know if they're going to be able to work this out with you because they hurt you. They know that they hurt you. You're emotional. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. So you just going to fall like that? Okay, let's see. Yeah, this person is frustrated because they know that they hurt you. They betrayed your trust. And this is why they're feeling stuck. The Emperor tried to jump out. So Aries, you could be dealing with another Aries. But if not, like I said, they know that they hurt you, and they do want things to improve. But this person definitely, they're dragging their feet, trying to come back. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But whoever this is, this person definitely left you hanging. You know what I'm saying? They left you out in the cold, and they realized, but I'm going to tell you something. I see a lot of healing already just looking at these cards. So you guys, I'm telling you, you've been putting in the work, and that's what I was telling you guys in the beginning. But see, because the way that this person left you hanging, Aries, this is why they're moving slow to come back towards you to make this right. Because they know that they messed up. See? They want to balance things out, but this person could have been giving to you and someone else, and that was the issue. Yep, and they're going to come back and apologize. Aries. They're coming back, okay? You could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but this person knows that they didn't balance things out. They didn't do right by you at all. That's why it's like they're not confident in speaking their truth to you just yet, from what I'm seeing, because they're sitting here reflecting on everything that they put you through. Again, no balance. I'm seeing it twice. There was no balance. This person definitely was being very immature and childish towards you, but I'm seeing that they made a decision. Let's see. Aries, again, you could be dealing with another Aries, but I'm telling you, this person wants to, I feel like they want to offer you stability. You know, this person wants to come back like the Emperor. They're coming back strong. And I feel like what they're doing right now, they're reflecting. I'm telling you, they keep thinking about everything that they put you through, Aries. And so now this was their lesson. They had to go. I feel like something took place on their side where now they're realizing a lot of truths. They're coming back to you. Somebody could have been dealing with the Virgo, but they're sad. Look at that. Not only are they sad, they're sad because they took, didn't I just say something happened on their end? Somebody could have took a financial hit, dealing with some type of codependent situation, whether it's love, family, career, friends. There was something that took place. This person lost out, I feel like, on money as well. And see, now they're realizing, like, dang, I made a big mistake. You know, I want a new beginning with Aries. Crosswatcher, if you're dealing with an Aries, this is them saying they want a new beginning with you. So, this person's coming out of being frustrated. Look at that, and they get ready to move fast. They're rushing back in. They want to say something. But because I feel like in the past, they could have been being a player or, you know, in and out of your life. They're afraid that you're going to walk away from them. And, you know, they definitely don't want you to cut them off. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Let's see. Yeah. They don't want you to cut them off, but right now they're not making a move just yet. They're still, I feel like they're wrapping up their lessons, guys. Tell me more. Yep, see? Right now they don't have a peace of mind. I feel like when I'm just looking at, my eyes keep going to the Pentacles. So they don't have a peace of mind when it comes to finances, and that could be why they're not moving forward towards you just yet like they want to, but they're coming. You know, some of them could still be feeling like stuck or trapped in a situation with someone else, or, you know, whatever the situation is, but they're going to get out of it, you know, because ultimately they want to have this victory with you, Aries. Yep, the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but I'm picking up your energy looking at the Queen of Pentacles, so this is letting me know that they're afraid that you don't want to put any more time, effort, or energy into them. Tell me more. Yep, justice. I'm telling you, I feel like your justice will serve. There was something that took place on their end. Somebody wants the truth, though. Let's see. Clarify justice. Could have been dealing with a Libra. Tell me more. Yep. This person, they're wanting the truth from you, even though I know you want the truth from them, but they're trying to figure out, how do you feel? What is it that you want? Like, they're trying to somehow feel you out, because they do want to heal things. They do want to move things forward with you. They want things to improve, but this person is frustrated because they know that they had you waiting around. They were moving slow. Yep, this person definitely was being sneaky. But see, even the fact that I'm even seeing 2 sevens there, that lets me know whatever they were, whatever situation that they were in, whoever they were dealing with, friends, family, whatever, love interest. I do feel like somebody was holding on, because remember I told you somebody was in a codependent situation where they were feeling stuck due to finance, like they kept taking a financial loss. I feel like there's somebody still in the picture, and this is why they don't have a peace of mind, because they have to get out of that situation. And see, right now, because of the fact that they stayed stagnant and they were comfortable, they didn't get out of the situation, you know, when they should have. Now they're frustrated because they feel like they lost you for good. Yep. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But this is telling me that they don't have the strength to come towards you right now. Because, yes, I told you, they feel like you're going to reject their offer. And they're stuck trying to make a decision. I'm telling you, they know they want to be with you, but they're just afraid. Like, They don't want you to turn them down, you know, but honestly, from this energy I'm picking up, it's kind of like you have every right to turn them down because they were playing around. But yeah, they're coming back. See, they feel like you guys are not looking at them like, okay, this is the person that I still want to spend the rest of my life with, or I would like to move things forward. But I'm going to be honest with you. Y'all already know when I see the Queen of Wands reversing a love reading, that's like a mother or a mother figure interfering. So I've been telling y'all there's somebody that's been standing in the way, and it's something pertaining to finances I keep picking up. So if it's not like a mother figure, like they have a child with someone, or, you know, whatever the case is, there's just still some type of energy lingering around. And this is why this person is afraid that they're not going to be able to turn things around with you. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But this person, they're going to take the leap. They're going to take a leap, and they're going to come towards you. But it's going to take place once they let go of this other situation that they were in. They're going to have to drop it. Ooh, okay. There's going to be a tower moment. So if this person, because I'm telling y'all, they already know they want to be with you. But remember, some of them are kind of like staying stagnant and stuck. So if they don't make a move, there's going to be a tower moment. The universe is going to step in, and they're going to force them to move, you know? And there's something saying switch it. Yeah, because they're stuck trying to make a decision, and because they couldn't make this decision, even though they know what to do, that's when the tower moment is going to come in. Because, see, they want to have the stability with you, but remember, I've been telling y'all, there's somebody still here holding on, and that's the problem. So the universe is going to step in. See? And they're going... Lord, almost cursed again. Let me tell you something. When the universe steps in, there's going to be a breakup. Whether it's a breakup of a commitment, marriage, breakup of like some type of family tie. I'm telling you, there's something that's going to happen. Yep. And this person, basically, they're going to move forward. They're not going to look back. They're not. See? Somebody's coming out of being frustrated about this situation. They're tired of arguing with someone. Look at that. They're ready to balance things out with you. But for some reason, it's like they're still not moving forward. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Tell me more. Yep. Because they feel like you don't want to build with them. But see, this person loves you. Some of you guys is definitely a soulmate energy. You know, this person loves you. They want a commitment with you. Could be dealing with a Gemini. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. This person definitely is going through a transformation here. Making changes, but right now there's little to no communication between the two of you. Whoever this is, sorry, I got quiet. I'm picking up on something. Yeah, okay. Remember I told you guys that some of you, this is definitely, I'm picking up like soulmate. I just heard twin. That's why I paused like that. This could be referring to a twin flame situation, but you know, y'all know how I feel. Regardless of the titles, this person wants to come back to make things right with you. And it's like, some of you guys, I feel like you have been somewhat talking to this person. There has been a little bit of communication here and there, but they haven't opened up like they should have, you know, they should be. But others of you, you haven't heard from this person just yet, and they're having a hard time, you know, coming towards you, back and forth about the Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, because I feel like they already know they're gonna have to put in the work to win you back, but at the same time, just like I was saying, a lot of you don't even know what's going on or what they want with you because they're not telling you. There's no communication. See? Because somebody has to get out of some type of home or family situation. And they're afraid that they ruin things with you for good. Yep. And that's why they're trying to decide what to do. They're trying to choose the best option. Tell me more. See? Because this person definitely wants to give you the offer here. That's that overflowing cup of love. But they're afraid that you're going to cut them off for good. See? They're afraid you're not going to accept this offer at all. That's why they feel like they don't even deserve you. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. See, they're back and forth. Like, this person is really in their head because I feel like they're trying to stay positive, but honestly, guys, they're not. They really don't know what you're going to do, what you're going to say. You know, there was a lot of harsh communication between the two of you, but they're going to rush back in. There's the Empress. They want to have a new beginning with you. They do want to heal things with you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. This person, they're coming back to give you that secure offer. They're coming back. Somebody's dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo, but the thing is they're just trying to decide how to go about doing it, and look at that. You see, there's two men. Oh, Lord. Okay. Y'all know, court cards, it could be two women. Somebody was trying to decide what to do. But honestly, Aries, I wouldn't even be surprised. Maybe you moved on too. You know, maybe you're trying to decide, okay, when you moved on, you're talking to or dealing with someone else, and now this person is coming back, and you have to decide, you know, okay, what do I want? Who do I want to be with? Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But this person, I feel like they need to speak up. They're going to have to speak up and speak up quick, okay? Or else they're not going to have a new opportunity. It's going to be that missed opportunity. See? Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn, but just looking at this, I feel like Spirit is saying they need to basically let go of the fear that they have. They need to get out of, like, the way that they're thinking about this, because they're holding themselves back, you know? And look, see, that was the other part I was just about to say. They're getting ready. They're going to tell you they're going to walk away from some type of third-party situation that they were in. They're coming back to you. But see, look, the way the Ten of Cups came out, I'm telling you, there could have been like a family situation, but this person definitely wants to have it with you. They want to become one with you, Aries. Tell me more. See, somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but even the way that came out is really shaky, because I'm telling you, this person wants a commitment. They want marriage. They're unsure if you even want it. And see, look, I'm telling you, they're going to have to communicate. There's communication coming in for you guys, back and forth about the moon. See what I'm saying? But they're scared. They're going to have to tell you the truth. They need to speak their truth. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Pisces, but they're hesitating. There's still hesitation because they broke your heart, and they want to come back and fix it. But see, Spirit is saying they're not listening to their intuition. This person's holding themselves back because you guys can have all of that. Remember, I got to pick up this deck. Remember, I'm seeing this. You can have it, but they have to come back and speak their truth. That's not you reaching out to them. They need to come and say something to you. You did everything. So at this point, Aries, y'all keep doing you, okay? Keep moving forward. Keep living life. Keep, you know, focusing on you. Because this person, they will be coming back. But remember, I told you they're still going through lessons. But they're going to come back in. All right, Aries, that was your reading. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates. If you're interested in a personal reading, I'll put the information in the description box. All right, Aries, I love you guys. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Bye. Bye.